We have two types of lamp caps. The button positions of the two lamp caps are different. This is an old Wi-Fi lamp head. The buttons of the old model are recessed, so you need a small toothpick and pin for pressing. After power on, the old Model S light is green. This is the new Wi-Fi lamp head. The buttons of the new lamp head are protruding, so you can press it directly with your hands. After power on, the new light is blue. Press the button to turn red. Unscrew the lamp first, then install the light on the Wi-Fi lamp head. Then install the Wi-Fi lamp head on the original lamp holder. Turn on the switch to power up. Press button test. The light is on, indicating that the installation is correct. Open the Yi app on your mobile phone. Click the plus sign in the upper right corner. Click to add device. Configure Wi-Fi on the page to add a device. Choose 4G Wi-Fi. If your original Wi-Fi is 5G, please switch to 4G. Check whether the account password is correct. Incorrect needs to be corrected. If correct, click Next. Allow mobile phone Bluetooth to be turned on. Waiting for device search. If it is not found for a long time, please restart the lamp head. Enter pairing mode. Click on the plus sign. Add lamp head device. Added. Click Next. Click on the pen icon. Rename the lamp head device. Here it is named Smart Light. Click Done. Click Next. Click Done. You can start controlling lights with your mobile phone. The pairing process is the same as that of Smart Light. We paired Smart Light too. One app controls two lamp heads. You can also add more lamp caps. But pay attention to the capacity of the router at home. Some old routers to many Wi-Fi devices have been added. Offline will occur. Suggest replacing the router. Take out the matching remote control. It requires two AAA batteries to work. Start pairing the remote control with the lamp head. Enter the lamp head device interface. Go to Device Setting. Scroll down to select U-Link Remote. Pick up the remote control. Click button icon. Enter learning state. Press the button you want to pair. Click to pair successfully. You can rename. Here it is named Open 1. Open 1 added. Press once to turn on the light. Press it again to turn off the light. After pairing the button 1 of the light intelligent remote control with the lamp head 1, the master on-off function of the remote control is also activated. On can only control on. Off can only control off. The pairing process is the same as that of Open 1. We pair Smart Light 2 with Open 2. Open to added. Press Open to once to turn on the Smart Light 2. Press Open to 2 again to turn off the Smart Light 2. Here it is explained that all on and all off can turn on and off all the lights at the same time, and buttons 1 to 6 can control the independent on-off of 6 lamp holders respectively.